Good morning. This is Anisha Serene, your Oracle card reader for the 3rd of November 2020. And I'd like to talk about the energies for today. And what I really just picked up while tuning in is this energy of choice. And along with the energy of choice, I'm just sensing the energy of blahness. You know, when some things are just blah in your life and you don't know what to do about it, you've created it and then you're like, heck, did I really create this blahness in my life? So, what is that? Are you operating from a space of boredom and blah, or are you just creating and choosing in your life? You know, because life is truly a choice. Life is the gift of choice. And if you are not choosing, then you are not living. So, what can you choose today? What can you choose every moment of the day that will shift your energy from being blah to being super awesome and super amazing, right? So, if you could choose every 10 seconds, what would you choose? Because life is a home of infinite possibilities, life is a gift of choice. And if you feel that you have made a certain choice that isn't working for you over the last couple of months or years, just make a new choice, just make a new decision. And life is supposed to be fun and exciting, isn't it? It's not supposed to be boring. So wherever you are bored and wherever you feel that your life is stuck, just acknowledge it, look at it, and make another choice. So when I picked up the oracle cards today, we had such interesting energy. So I already tapped into the energy of blahness and choice and decision and things where you are in conflict with. And oh my God, you will not believe it, I did have the conflict card. Just look at that. So it seems, and I'll also say this, that we have the death energy showing up today with your guardian angels. And along with that, when death and confusion show up together and there's like a dash of each other's conflicting energies, we have the leap of faith. So today is day where you will have to take that leap of faith into anything and everything you desire. So if there was one choice that you'd like to make today, and take the most ridiculous choice that you like to make, can you make it today without being in conflict with yourself? No matter what people think of you, no matter what your friends or family think of you, just make that one ridiculous choice that you have been wanting to make for a long time, but you made yourself wrong for it. Your family has made yourself wrong for it. Your spouse has made yourself wrong for it. Society could make you wrong for it. Okay, and that's what's playing on your mind. So make that ridiculous choice today. Get out of any confusion and confront that confusion. When I say get out of the confusion, I mean confront it. Look at it. It's an energy, right? It's a distraction to something much bigger. It's a distraction to your own power. God damn it. So what is that? What is it? And make a choice. Take that leap of faith. So I do sense that today you will be in the process of deciding something. You will be in the process of saying, okay, this is what I'm going to go for because I feel that this is what is going to change my life. So what or whom can you add into your life today, guys, that is going to make it super special for you, super easy, super joyful, super glorious? And the death energy also shows up today because death does not only mean physical death. Death means the death of the old, the death of yourself. And every day, every moment, we are dying. Our cells are dying, our brain cells are dying, and new stuff, new cells are being born, right? So allow the old to go and destroy and uncreate yourself today, right now. Everything that you were up until now, just destroy and uncreate that. Everything that your relationships were up until to now, destroy and uncreate that. Everything that your life and business was up until now, destroy and uncreate that energy. Everything that your body was up until now, destroy and uncreate that energy. And what else is possible for you? What else is possible for me? What else is possible for planet Earth? And what choices are you going to make today to get out of your blahness and to have a beautiful life today, to have a beautiful day today? So make those choices, get down on it, crack it, and have a super, super fun day. All my love.